Hi there. Allow me to introduce you to my tool, MediaTek's Unlocker Pro. This is the unlocking tool that I made a video about a few months ago saying that I'm going to release the tool anytime soon because I've been working on, and finally it's here. Let's talk about this tool, and also I will show you what the tool is capable of doing right now so that you can know what you should expect from the tool. From now on, the tool is not officially released yet publicly, but it's going to be any of these days. And I have good news for you, so stay tuned to the video. When you launch the tool, you have this login screen. Of course, you need an account to use the tool, but believe it, this tool will be for free. Why? I wanted this tool to be a premium tool, but believe it, this tool is just going to be a free tool right now. And I'm going to tell you why I'm not going to be selling the tool, but giving the tool for free. When you open the tool, you click on sign in. And of course, you need to accept the terms of use you get. So you have to be sure that you are not using this tool to unlock a stolen device. You are using this tool to unlock your own device, or if you own a mobile repairing shop, you need to be sure that you have confirmed and you have received proof from the customer that this phone is his or hers. You get. So that's it. You make sure you read this. After reading this, you accept. You agree the terms of use you get, and you click on continue. When the tool launches, you can see that you have a lot. We have the brands at the top. So you don't really have to click this. It just shows you that these are the brands that the tool supports. But the tool is a CPU based tool, support based tool, not a brand based tool you get. So all these brands, they use it, a Qualcomm, either a Qualcomm, SPD, MediaTek CPU, in which I include that here. All these phones, they have ADB Fastboot operations, in which this tool can handle all of these. That's why you see a lot of brands here. You get. So when you launch the tool, you have the FRP, Screen Lock, Flash, ADB Fastboot, Advanced, Root Option, SPD tab for Spectrum devices, Samsung tab for Samsung devices. We have Motorola, LG, and EDL, in which we will go through these options in a different video, but let's just see what this tool can do. And keep in mind, I've been working on this tool myself alone. When you see tools like Unlock tool, those premium tools, those are tools that are being managed by a big software developer. So I don't want you to go around trying to compare my tool with any tool out there. I've been working on this tool alone without seeking advice from anyone or learning anything from any professional out there. So I wouldn't say that it's that good, and that's basically the reason why I just decided to give the tool like for free for now, until I'm sure that the tool can stand up to at least be able to work as a premium tool, so you don't have to expect much from the tool. So I'm kind of disappointed that the tool is not working the way that I wanted, but keep in mind I will keep working on this tool and updating the tool till we get to a stage where the tool is absolute peak, even after years. So let's try something here. So I've been using the tool recently, and I've been able to do a lot of things with the tool. Mostly, even though I don't get a lot of devices to test since I stopped doing software, so I'm not receiving a lot of phones to unlock and all that. So you people who are going to get a tool will be the ones to be using the tool, giving me feedback on what's working, what's not working, what, so that I will know how I'm going to update, because I don't have enough phones to actually test the tool, test all the options. But I've tested a lot of things, like being able to format a lot of phones here, unlock screen lock, do the flashing, ADB Fastboot mode working perfectly, and all that. So for example, if I come to the FRP tab, in which I have a Techno F1 with FRP lock right now, and I come here to the phone model, right? So if I come to the phone model and I look for Techno F1, If it's hard to see, I made a search tab here for you to easily search. When you just type the name, you come down here, then you will see it. Then you will click on it, right? So when you click on it, if you don't see the model that you are looking for here, you can use the universal tab. And also I made it whole in a way that it will be easy for anyone to use by having this user manual here, which is very important. You know what section is to do, what, do this, do that, and all that. So I try to make sure that you should be aware of the sections that you are using. Like you see the model specific section at the top, and the universal option, which is this here. So the universal option, you use it when you haven't seen the phone model that you want to unlock here. So for example, I have my phone model here, right, in which we selected, which means that I'm going to use the model specific, which is more reliable, you get. So what are we going to do? So you want to unlock FRP, I click FRP Unlock, waiting for device. When you see that, you press volume up and volume down. For this device, I press volume up only. It's a very old device. Press volume up when the device is off, then plug in the USB cable. Then you wait for the process, you keep holding, and just like that, it's completed. So as you can see, very smooth. You can see the chipset. It's not a recent chipset, right? That's an old MTK CPU, which is pretty good for the tool to start with. It supports a lot of other models as well, as I've been trying. And once you guys start using the tool, introducing the tool to different phones, then I will be sending the log files to me. Even if the tool is failing, I can study log files and know how I can get the tool to work on the other chipsets and all that. So you can see this one pretty clears everything smoothly. So you can do the FRP, you can do the format device here, same as the screen lock option. So there are some phones where you can actually erase without losing the user data when possible. That's why I said when possible here, because you don't have it's not guaranteed you get. So this is all that I have to show you about the tool right now. So stay updated to my page or my YouTube channel and wait for the tool. Thank you.